bawat laro, idolo. Huwag kang matakot makipagsabayan. Huwag kang mahiya. Ipakita ang kaya mong gawin. Dahil sa bawat laro, diyan ka mas mahuhubog. Natalo ka man, basta may natututunan. Tuloy lang ang ensayo at samahan ng disiplina. Huwag kang pipigil hanggat di mo nagagawa. Tumigil ka lang kapag di mo na magawa. At lagi mong tatandaan, walang sino man ang makakapagsabi na kaya mo. Nasa sa'yo yan kung hanggang saan mo madadala ang sarili mo. Dahil sa US Playground, laro mo ang highlights ko. Yes, playground na mo highlight ko. Dito tayo sa Barangay San Gabriel, San Pablo City, Laguna. Pasok po rin ang kanilang SK Summer League. Eto, Junior Quarter Finals Dual Day game tayo maglalaro tong item State 1. At mga kalaban naman nila tong Orange na mga Android dyan. Siyempre, shoutout sa ating mga referee, ang SPCRE. Maraming salamat sa bumubuo ng Sangguniang Kabataan ng Barangay San Gabriel. Eto na.
Start of the ball game. This is number 9 of St. Junior State 1 versus Android. First possession will go to Androids para makakuha ng grade 1. Just sa mga to Bahato. Wala kong magkabahan. Asilo sa salaksak downstairs at Enaus. Grade 1. Nagkakaroon ang kasama ko sa Asilo. It's for the Here comes Kuya in point. Bertihan, ini saya nakukuha ni Mirante. Lugin, Alzaro ni Balak, still again.
Warning, orange for delaying the game. Tinira pa rin isang player yung bola eh.
Fajardo will give the ball to Rangel. Rangel to Asilo back. Fajardo to Asilo. Well, that's supposed to be to Kuya in point. Kuya gets early down. Pagio, 2 points.
Grabe si Pagio, mamersa sa ilalim.
Back-to-back basket, Boris, and Pagio. SCHU, Kuya Important Minutes Lumigid, Pahandol, wala pa rin, Pahandol,
Minamama sa ilalim eh. Puro halos mas bata tong player ng Orange.
Morales, Rivera, Asilo, almost losing possession, Pardo. Pardo, points around there ng Magnayo Arpes. Pardo to Bosby. Dumina, 2 points.
Ganda nung pasahan doon nung State 1.
Parang nakarekus ng Andres ng kapalaban. Geralde finding Lazaro. Tumuna si Bosby.
Takot na, Gerald.
Fajardo. Fajardo on the letter. Boy, Bagay. Bagay matake si Randel. Wala pass to Bosby. Luged. Nakuha ni Bosby. Bosby passes the one to Fajardo. Anong third? Special score, 12-7-5-point lead para sa Metropolis. Bertihar sasalaksak, hits that basket. Sa Miguel. Si shot is good. Points. Bertihar pupukol lang ng Rice Mites. Lazaro del Palo. Let's get it. Abat na din isa mag-iwa. Chinelas. 2 Morales. Bertihar. 2 points. Kasi sa panalaman ng Metropolis. Magnaye. Good point, Father. In the rubber here against two players. That's a big violation. Steal by Bertihar. Here comes Bertihar like Mammalini si Bertihar passes to Morales. Stephen Morales take the lead. 16-14, 2.8 para sa Androids. Asilo sasalaksak. It's a big Pahandol follow-up. It's good. Jimenez to Bertihar. 2 points.
Gitna.
Asilo to the air. Now Sibo. Lazaro pass to the Bertihar. Pass with the tricky Rivera. Hesitation. Rivera sasalaksak. Bosby on the field. Asilo on the athletic. Asilo sumasalaksak sa gitna. Asilo Arpes. Kurang din. 10 seconds to shoot. getting fun. Dominating on the lead. Here comes Smart. There's a foul with GC. Bellingham, they can score 22-20. Hockey, and how they scared. 24 activated, 24-20.
Dalawa! Meron, dalawa! Ayan.
McKnight, lead on the shot clock, McKnight gonna get a shot and again. Pago na polo biscuit.
Malamig pa si Magnaye.
Lady the win point, Geralde Beltihan. Beltihan, penetrating finds Geralde, shooting and scoring.
Depensa! Gerald, supportahan mo nga yun ang inuunahan. Ayun na, lapit-lapit ka dyan! Lapit, Gerald!
Second shoot for Wagyu. Wagyu sasabay ng dalawa. Again. Here comes Beltihan. Beltihan magmamadaling passes. Ethan. Overthrowing that ball. Here comes Asilo. One pass, 2 balls. 18 points. Offensive score 26-24. Lamang ng dalawa. Ang Androids.
Lamang ng dalawa itong orange.
Beltihan. Miscommunication there. From Magnaye to Asilo. Back to Magnaye. Basket goes. Like kasama ng foul. Foul on Jason Boulevard. Magnaye. Boom shot is good. Lamang ng linang isa. Ang Metropolis. Gives the ball to Asilo. Here comes Asilo. Asilo will be gone. Shot Interesting pass. Mapapawin ng Tiara. Beltihan stops and boom! Asilo net rebound. Gives the ball to Toy. Fajardo together and down the power of his kick.
Gerald, supportahan mo ng
Lamang ng isa ang Metropolis Asilo. Good sa ball. Pagkat si Asilo. 2 Fajardo, 2 Magnaye with ilang shot ng Magnaye.
Nag-iinit na to.
Beltihan. Beltihan hesitation. Gets the ball to Verona, bounce pass to White. Three on the pass, going across the almost losing it. Rivera finding Asilo. Asilo will wind Rivera 10 seconds to shoot. One pass to Magnaye, Magnaye to follow Rivera 5 seconds. The 20 points. That's Beltihan. 2 men without Berkeley. That's short. Here comes Arangel on the pass. Arangel bounce pass to Hiro. 60 points. Last 12 seconds.
Ba! Uy, stop! Buwa na! Ilalaki pa ino.
6-point lead.
Okay, Second quarter tayo.
Score. Oh, for the second quarter. Baguio.
Kamay!
Fighting Bandera.
Alas sila!
2-2. Baguio on the two. And the shot comes out in second. Janice Morris launching a play. That's Nugget makukuha ni
Sila, boy!
Chicago.
Alas si Ben!
Janice team points.
Alas si Ben! Yan, nabili ah! Kabila, yan! Bilis!
Magandang gabi po sa ating kalendar na Oscar Consihal Danilo Fernandez. Magandang gabi po mga si Baguio on the 2 points. Official score 43-5 in favor of Oakley's Villanueva. Will find who again teammate Dina Ube Cruz. Baguio on the rebound. Here comes the best way to win.
Time out! Ano malapit na? Jump ball, jump! Puro ikaw ang present sa lahat ng dating. Kami sa ikot dito sa yan, kalma, boy! Para sa mga!
Baguio, si Kuya Ivan, First shot for Baguio is second shot. Look at Walker gives the ball to Villanueva. Villanueva. Janus. With the lead again, Randall on the rebound. Magnaye will find Santiago 2 points. Third,
Laki ni Robert.
angat sa 10 palamangan. Robles, Janice finding Villanueva. Back into that teammate hit on the 43. That's Noguera.
Dali!
That's on 2 points. Here comes Montagne. Bounce pass to Santiago gets the basket. Michael Sullivan foul. Good shot, Skid. Angat sa labing isa. Here comes Belkihar and Noguera. Baguio on the rebound. In the corner. Here it is, finding Asilo. Here comes Mr. Asilo. Asilo Noguera. Belkihar on the pass race. Belkihar. Gets that basket. Right, Sullivan foul. Good shot is good. 3-point play completed by Mr. Belkihar. Asilo point third. It's a foul on Lazarus. Third personal foul. His shot is good for Mr. Baguio. Shout out Mr. Gian Atienza. Morales. Points belt behind. Launching the three. That's the good Macaulay. Remaining time 6 minutes. Mike misses that way. Here comes Martin. Martin with you. Asido Dominguez corre, Asido rounds fast to the crowd. Shot scored. Sasa bola kembali Tumo. Here comes Asido. Second shot again. They are giving the ball to Marchand. Salsadillo to Beltihar. Beltihar, the two men here are launching a long way. Over close, far. Then he down. Will find Asido. Asido to Robert Sancho again. Makapabalik kay Asido na lang kayo na kukunin pa Hando. Here comes Beltihar. Then he fell. On GC2. The shot is good. Asido, 1 point, 2 more, 2 side triangle, gets that basket, and down. Good shot, and again, Macaulay Salsadillo giving the ball. Asido, making down. He then gets the ball to Beltihar. Then return it to here comes Martin losing the ball. Kayo naman ang nag-highway pa naman. Yan ang isang libo. Mahalo. Launching a three. Yes, again here comes Beltihar. Beltihar, Beltihar will find Bernal again. One and a race till the end. Ini sa pagkasa na babawi pa ako. Si Baguio. Si Tumo. Mababawi ni Baguio si Asido. 8 seconds. 2 points. Minutes and 10. Salsadillo will find Geralde. Geralde overthrows. Asido the ball. Baguio. Asido. 14. Two passes at the end. Banking on the pass. Bringing in a new Geralde gets the foul. pass to the pace. People 20 points. Benhara, Teacher Nellas to Janice for 3. Okay. Sniper the ball, finding Crosby to Kumo. Saying on it no good. 40 seconds to shoot. They're looking for up twice. Final fan. And they set the pass of 5. 1-9 to 1. And they set the pass again. Here comes Hurricane. Shanfeld to Beltihara. Beltihara 2 points. Arguing on the corner is good. 62-47. 14. Junior Nas on 3. Yes, sir! Marcelo on the defense there. The sniper experience. Picking up. That's too good. They're out there moving back. Points is going to be high. Almost losing it. Beltihara to Junior Nas again. Together. Free shot for Van Gogh again. Second shot is still by Mr. McNugget. 30 seconds. Bounce. Marcelo Linares.
Kortan mo yan, Juno.
Marcelo Linares. Marcelo on pass. Turban. Very good. Number 1, 2 points. Here comes Chilenas. Chilenas 2 points. Left 5. And on the second point, official steal.
Yung playground halftime break na idolo, sana nakasubscribe ka na sa ating channel dahil 85% ng nanonood ng mga video natin ay hindi pa nakasubscribe, and then papalo na lang ng ating Facebook page yung UN US at ating official TikTok and Instagram account na US Playground. Pwede ka rin diyang mag-like, comment and share at mga shoutout para ma-shoutout natin sa susunod nating video. Sino kaya magiging best player ng laro ito? Leave your comment below idolo. Okay, tuloy na natin to. Okay, diretso tayo, third quarter. Quarterfinals, do or die game.
Paano? Hindi kanina, ini. Morales on the pass break. Morales, kill. Throws. Here comes Pardo. Balance pass. Arneons. Morales to Villanueva. Villanueva hesitation move. Morales to Corona. Corona step back two. Si Umeguedo. Aray, pasiga.
Marka ko na. Sa dito.
Points.
Kaya nga ako pala yung sinabi.
Morales intercept the pass.
Dua.
Baguio on two.
Nakakawala ang sitwasyon lang. Patay mo pwede sila. Hindi. No way, please.
Sunshine game. You bet. Yes, sir!
Ang lalaki na, sila pa yung nakakapirimit eh.
Morales sa salaksan nakikita si Lazaro. Penetration is good. Magandang gabi po sa ating makikisip ng mga BTSO ng Barangay San Gabriel. Fajardo, si Divera. Divera, by Kerry. Again, intercepted pass. Here it comes. Union Divera.
Kabila nga, dalawa kayo dyan.
Morales stops and pause again. Magnaye Rivera. Rivera back to Magnaye. Magnaye on 2 points. Lazaro, winding Morales. Morales 2 point chance. John is still launching a 3. That's no good. Okay. Davis, Vertiara. 10 seconds to shoot. Vertiara, finding Lazaro 5. Lazaro on 2. That's no good. Makakuha ni Boski. Baguio. Underneath, no good. Baguio again. Kuya Ivan now get 2 points. Travis. Let that back to Travis on 3. That's short. Lazaro on the top is good.
Hindi nyo kita si Jude?
Vertiara, 2. Equido on 2. That's no good. Baguio on the rebound. Here comes Fajardo for 2. Official score is 78. 78-57, 21-point lead.
Sige na kayo!
Two. Two minutes for two. Again, Baguio. Two. Baguio 2 points. Timeout.
Sige na kayo!
Androids, official score. That's the odds of the living. Winding. Moving up. Moving up. For two. Moving. Top of the lane. Really trying to carry it. Three. Setting that lead. 12 seconds. Baguio 8-second pass. Rebound Beralde. Beralde bounce pass. Bigyan back to Beralde. Sama-sama mga bayan. Santiago to Baguio. 2 points. Beltiara for three. Yes, sir! Offensive score is 82-61. 21-point lead. Box sa Metro Police. Baguio. Magnaye will fight back. 8 seconds shoot. Back to Magnaye. On two. Yes, sir! Going back for two. Bendiga, Bumege. Swasa. That's no good. Quiet, get over it. Security. Magnaye, winding Santiago. When the close fire is there, fire was short. After the other big ground, here comes still behind. What a pass. He's trying to make that. Magnaye spins. Step back two is good. Put it in.
Oh,
Here comes the Milan. Next station line. Down. Defense. Movie shot no good. Baguio on three. Lagi na ako ng dulo. Dulo, passes ako sa Sardinia. Step back two.
isang minuto. Third quarter.
Beltiara, with point, Nita. Back to the drive. With point, Sardinia hesitation. Bounce pass to Arcilio Rubicon. Sardinia, Beltiara. And that's Beltiara. Beralde. It is 71. 17-point lead. 12 seconds to shoot. Arcilio Rubicon. Pass to the middle. Please have a seat.
Yun, ilalim!
Ito, pag-quarter na tayo, 15 pa yung lamang dito ng item. It's do or die game ng Junior Division itong Barangay San Gabriel.
Sino makikita?
Buenas pa. Buenas din. Ito yung number 1 problema nila, ang laki eh. Naka one stop sila doon. Kasi Beraldo yung nabuhay dito eh.
Looking at the house.
Naganda to. Nagka-momentum yung orange.
Asino sasalaksak para pass Tino. Tino. Nakuha ni Berardo. Asino bubuhol lang ng Resident Best mga kahuli. Berardo ang bola. Berardo D. Bertihara to Berardo.
Pipito na yung lamang.
Fajardo. Goodbye, Asino. Asino ng 14. Tijera required. Tijera Mercedes.
Balik sa 10 lamang ng item.
Medyan, Jimenez. Bounce pass to Lazaro. Lazaro makakalisuarte. Lazaro. Asilo. Asilo bounce pass. That's good ball.
Pangatlong alley-oop play na yon.
Tatay ka dyan.
Official score. It's 91-87 lead para sa seed 1 Metropolis Asilo. Will fight Pardo on the corner. Pardo. There's the lot of Beralde. Si Beliar. Si Lazaro. Lazaro. Bawasan na ang Royal Steve.
Aanim na.
Rivera. Asilo. 14. Baguio 2 points. Lazaro. Lazaro. Tiro wala. Makukuha niya.
Ganda ng laban, grabe. Lilima.
Asilo. 10 seconds to shoot.
Gumalaw eh, talagang gumalaw siya eh. Sumabay siya dun sa player eh.
We've got a second personal foul. 13 foul.
Sayang yung kitang-kita. Pati ang baba.
Fajardo. Point Rivera. To the corner. Asilo 3. That's the red line. Asilo is. To the corner mark. 2. Fajardo. To Asilo. Dallas pass to Boston. To Fajardo. 2 points. Lazaro to Butihara. Butihara. Intercepted of Boston. Boston. Timeout. Androids. Official score 1-3.
Balik siya man lamang ng item.
Android. Rivera, finding Asilo. Baguio attacks. Miguel Beralde. Good point, Chinelas. Chinelas. Lazy leg and Miguel. Butihara the basket. Baguio on the follow-up. Only the 2 points.
Hindi kakayanin eh, pag isa eh. Magandang gumalaw, maganda mag-pivot si Idol eh.
Ratu Beralde.
Dahil ni Beralde sa gano'n, nakakailan na yun.
Asilo. Asilo setting the play. Asilo spins. Watches. That's no good.
na daw.
Sulla signore Soy Medina su Lazaro.
Labas! Labas!
10 seconds to shoot. Next 2 minutes. Very hard to hit.
Maganda rin shooting ni Beralde. Hindi siya nasala.
Magnilaye. 1.5. Shot 15. Pahardo. Si Magnilaye. Magnilaye with 8 seconds. Si Bell. Miss Bauer. Penalties to be worn and behind. Push shot right there. Sends out a skill for Bill. 1 behind.
Naku.
Asilo against 2. Asilo mga kalisot. Asilo is available. 2 points. Here comes Vilpihan. 2 points. Magnilaye. With white flyable. Next, 1 minute. Now comes Asilo. You want to pass through Boston B, 2 points. Last 48 seconds.
Doon na tumamlay.
40 seconds.
Okay na daw, sabi ng coach ng kabila.
10 seconds to shoot. And there will be